Hey guys, welcome back to PD 110. I hope you all enjoyed the snow day, and more importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this semester. But this is it for us. So you have your final exam this week. There is no lab due, no physical activity. Monitoring report is just the exam itself. You'll find that the exam is very similar to all of the quizzes you've taken over the course of the semester. As always, you can use any of those quizzes and the exam review to assist you on the final exam, including the PowerPoints and everything else that you have. That's resources that are available to you. Guys, I wish you the best of luck. If you have any questions about the exam, please feel free to email me. I'm sure each of you would do fine because, as I said, it's just like the quizzes are very similar. Please remember that it has to be completed by 7 p.m. on December 17th. I had to submit final grades by December 18th, so that's really not leaving us any time. So this is that 1 week where there cannot be any exception on the due date. So your final exam is due by 7 p.m. on December 17th. It is relatively lengthy, so I encourage you to go ahead and get started on it and knock this on out so you can just start to put this semester behind you. All right, guys, happy holidays to you. And again, if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Take care.